Hi friends and welcome back to SS Text and Creation YouTube channel, and today in this video we'll see how to use MySQL update query through PHP. Okay, let's begin the video. You can see that I am using WAM server and I have already written a code, just a few line codes, and you can see $C1 is just a variable, and you can see MySQL underscore connect is just a function. By using that you can do connection with the database, localhost, root, and if password is available, then you have to write your password not connect. If it's not connected, then it will show you a message like not connected. Okay, MySQL underscore select underscore db, it's just used to select a database. Here you can say Shahrukh, it's just a database name, and you have to write that object $con. It's just object. Okay, then MySQL underscore query, in this you can write any query, and here I am writing an update query like update student set s name equal to Shahrukh, where roll number equal to 1 means which roll number is 1. I'm just changing his name by s name by Shahrukh. Okay, and this is a query. This is a simple code which I have written, and let's see what was the previous record in that database. Here I open my SQL console and see I'm writing use Shahrukh, means I'm going into my Shahrukh database. Okay, and here I will write a select query like select star from student, where I can fetch all the student records. Yeah, there is only one student, roll number is 1, name is ABC, means I have to change this ABC name by Shahrukh according to my written query. Okay, I will run the code. I'm using WAM server. You can see your project. In that I will go in Shahrukh folder. In that I have saved my code in d.php file. I will click on that. See, the code is executed. Again I will go here in console screen, and again I will paste the record. Yeah, here you can see name was ABC, now the name is Shahrukh, means by using this PHP code I have updated the MySQL column. Thank you for watching, and one more thing, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe now and click on notification icon to get instant notification of our upcoming videos. Till then, bye and take care.